Hello and good morning in Europe, good evening in United States. It's Thursday, March 10. I'm here with you to see what happened yesterday in the market, what is going on, and what should we expect from today's in financial market. So far, we know in the Russian and Ukrainian front that the foreign ministers of both sides going to meet each other in Turkey, and they're going to talk about probably case fire or others. Russia repeatedly told that they're going to end the war as soon as they get what they want, and what they want is accepting Crimea as a part of Russia and Donetsk and Luhansk as an independent country, and also beside on top of all of them, to guarantee that Ukraine is not going to be part of NATO and not going to have the heavy weapons. So that's what all what the Russian wants, and they're gonna fight for what they want to get it. The Ukrainian also, also they are having their own expects. So let's see what happened yesterday. What will happen today in their peace talk? Hope they're gonna and somewhere they're gonna find some way out of this stupid attacks of each other, killing of the brothers and the sisters and the kids, especially. Hope it's gonna end faster. Anyway, this is in the market. With this on the economic front today, Central Bank of Europe ECB will have a monetary policy meeting, and it will be very, very important to see what they want to decide and what they want going to do. So far, in on the economic data, we had foreign bond purchases and interior and foreign bond purchases data from Japan. Both of them they showed some a little bit uh, increasing from the decreasing from the previous months, and they're not such a good data that we can rely on Japan. So let's see what's going to happen later today. We're going to have unemployment data from the Turkey. We're going to have EU leaders summit today. We're going to have the ECB meeting. We're going to have retail sales from Europe. And initial jobless claims as all Thursday from United States. This is the most economic data, economic in the economic calendar. This is the most important data. So far, market risk is decreasing a little bit from from the past 2 days highs, as we can see here that we don't have that much reason to say that okay, market going to have more uh, risk in the next days, as the P stock is going to get some points. Anyway, this is the market situation from the risk sentiment. US dollar index after this risk sentiment decreasing US dollar index also, sorry, my dog came to me. Can Daddy, you want to sit here? Okay. Um, sorry, you want to sit here? Okay. Uh, oops. Yeah, we're talking about case fire and its effects. US dollar, as you can see, US dollar is decreasing a little bit right now. That is 98.10. You know, this US dollar index still is so high, even if it decreased yesterday so badly, still it's so high, and it is not such a good news for the market. But yeah, but it's decreasing. Anyway, we can see the US dollar index around 97 for the next days. I don't think that it can stay too long, for longer time at this high levels. US dollar index probably will be around 97, even because the case, even if we don't have the case fire, US dollar in the dollar index can increase only if the tensions get much worse than much worse, that the situation get more worse, and we're gonna have the higher tensions. Otherwise, US dollar index probably will fall to 97, and we're gonna have it between 97 and 98 for now. Let's bring this here. Something here between 97 and 98, a little bit even down here. 97 and 90, between 97 and 97.80, it's gonna be where we can see the US dollar index in next days. So US dollar index is going to fall a little bit, same as gold. Gold, after touching multi-year high above $2,000, 2000, not multi-year, because that price was lower than, yeah, it was lower than a little bit. Yeah, it was a little bit like $5 lower than 2020 high, multi-year highs. Anyway, this the price the price right now is decreasing, as you can see here. Let's go here. Yeah, the price right now is decreasing, and for today probably it's gonna fall more. Let's see the trend line. If we want to look at the trend line, we have to see that in a 20, it's a 20, right? Yeah, yeah, 14, sorry. So we can see that on a 14 days moving average, which sits as 1940. Uh, yeah, 1940, yeah, 1940 or 50. Between 1940 and 50 going to be the next target for now, for the short term. And then we're going to see the next movement after that. I mean, later, after we touch the 1940, then we can find out where is going on. For now, the gold is decreasing around 1940, 1940. Uh, yeah, the market is decreasing, and we had some positive reaction in the stock market, so we're gonna find that. About the same situation we have for the silver, but anyway, silver in a long term. If you want to talk about the long term, silver has very good opportunities to go to higher levels. Since you know that the silver also is industrial metal. It's not just about when as a safe haven. You can find the safe haven when you can find its safe haven demand as well. You can find that when the economy is fine, you can have the demand will increase also for uh, industrial purpose. Situation about the oil after falling of the yesterday because of the lower tensions, the oil increased in the past days because of the new sanctions against Russia, and that in the news that the government, U.S. cut 8% increase the import from the Russia. But to be honest, the thing is that this 8% already has been cut because technically we couldn't bring any oil from the Russia. We couldn't bring out any oil from Russia for the way that we're gonna sending to the United States. Therefore, what have happened yesterday in the last 2 days? It was just a emotional reaction in the market. Yesterday also we had a news that United Arab Emirates they accepted to increase 400,000 barrels to their import, same as the Venezuela. So 800,000 barrels going to increase in a market as the Russian output is going to be decrease in the market. But still, the sanctions, the other important news that the sanctions that they had against Russia, it's not including the gas and oil prices. Therefore, for now, I mean, all this tension still didn't change in the not didn't change much in the output levels. Therefore, the demand is still the same or even increasing. Output levels also the same or even decreasing. Therefore, and so altogether, we can tell us that the price, even if fell down, but still in an uptrend, and this bulls, even if we don't go through the 130 and 40 of the last days, we can still have oil on a demand, and we can still say that oil going to increase. I mean, at least it will hold itself above $90, 90, $92. Even if it's not, even if it start again falling more, but still above $90 is very, very, very large puzzle of the expectations. About the gas will be around the $4.14 and $4.70 for now, as the tensions not decrease for now. As long the only reason for oil and gas, we can say that the price will fall. Probably if say the war is ending, but ending the war needs the Russia to get their expectations, what they want, what they're looking for, and if what you're looking for, we're gonna go to through the reality. It's so hard to say that. Okay, in today in a peace talk, you're gonna find some way out for this. Therefore, the theoretical, yeah, it's possible to see that the war is ending today or the next days, and we're gonna see the fall down on prices. But in the reality, I don't think that they're gonna find a way out for today. Maybe with some positive uh, words and the sentence they can finish the talks, but it's not going to end the war today. Anyway, otherwise it's just like the gas still will be in higher levels as the tensions is high and the demand is higher. $4.40 and $4.70 is the expectations for the gas. But with such a price of oil, we cannot replace the gas with the oil as well because the gas because it's going to be much more expensive than gas. On the stock market, SP 500 and other stocks last night on the cash market, we had a very good, we can see here in the futures market as well, especially in the Nasdaq. We had very good recovery, but still, the Nasdaq still trading under 1317, 1700, especially under 14,000. SP 500 is still trading under 4,300. It's the technical psychological level, important level. Dow Jones is trading under 34,200. Those are like 34,000. So let's go here. Here. Okay. Under 34,200. As long as it is trading under for 34K point two, I don't think that the bulls are gonna have any way to go out. Any bulls for Dow Jones need to be seen above this level. On the cryptocurrency market, yesterday after this, after what Miss Yellen did, published early, a little bit earlier her reactions to the Joe Biden's order, president order. This, the reaction, the market had a positive reaction to that, but still, this what we had from Biden's executive order. It didn't have it doesn't have any clear idea. It doesn't give us any clear idea what we should have. Just they need to do this, they need to do that, they need to do that. All this data is kind of covered and finished that. It's not final data. It's not there. It's not clearing anything for the crypto market. Therefore, this first reaction, emotional reaction to the market was something that could improve it, increase the prices, but still, I don't think that still there is some reason to say that the Bitcoin still can go forward to go to the higher levels. For now, still the same. Technically, as long as we are trading under 44k, 44.6k, 44,600, we are still in a clear downtrend, and the market cannot increase as long as it is trading under that. But anyway, it is about 40k, and it's not downtrend. Also, is not confirmed. Any downtrend need to be under 40k for now, with the next support at 37,480. The seven target as the seven. I guess so. Sorry, the next target and the next support. Reaching under 37k, 37.4k will put the bears in more demand. Same situation also we have for Ethereum with different noble and numbers, and for the Ripple with different numbers. But still, whatever happens here, still we are in a clear. For now, still we are in a clear downtrend, and no bulls has not been. No, the bulls is not there. They are not confirmed, and we cannot count on them yet. Just the overall market situation. Hope it was useful for you guys, and see you guys again tomorrow. Uh, be careful about your trades and enjoy your day. Thank you so much. And let me know please your idea and with write in the comment under this video. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.